Hello everyone, this is a short video just to show you what I'm doing right now and learning. I'm building a CNC drawing machine using Arduino. In my next video I will show you all the details and how to build a machine like that. This drawing machine uses two NEMA 17 step motors on X and Y axis and a servo motor on Z axis. My idea is that this machine can be used as a drawing or plotter, as you can see, and also used with laser engraver. It will also be possible to add a spindle motor to engrave and cut pieces of wood. That will be a 3-in-1 machine. So stay tuned for the next video.